Hey friends, welcome back! You know, it makes my blood boil when I see people skipping breakfast. Breakfast, you hear me, is the most important bloody meal of the day. It's what fuels you up, gets you going, and stops you from turning into a right grumpy git before noon. Today, I'm excited to share 7 quick, nutritious, and delicious breakfast options. That's right, no more excuses about not having time for breakfast. These recipes are so simple, even a donkey could make them. We've got protein-packed powerhouses, some veggie-loaded beauties, and even a couple of sweet treats that won't send you crashing by mid-morning. So buckle up, get your aprons on, and let's get cooking. First up, we've got Moong Sprout Chaat. Now don't you dare turn your nose up at sprouts. These little fellas are packed with protein and fiber, and they'll keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. We're talking crunchy sprouts, juicy tomatoes, sharp onions, all tossed together with a zesty lemon dressing and a sprinkle of toasted sesame oil. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it'll wake up your taste buds faster than a fire alarm in a dormitory. Next, we're taking a trip to South India with some instant millet dosa. This ain't your grandma's dosa, taking hours to ferment. This one's ready to go when you are. We're using healthy and hearty foxtail millet, creamy lentils, and a touch of spice for a dosa that's crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. Serve it up with your favorite chutney or sambar for a breakfast that's fit for a bloody king. Now, for those of you who are always on the go, let me introduce you to the banana oats smoothie. It takes 2 minutes to whip up, you can drink it on the run, and it's packed with enough goodness to make your granny proud. We're blending creamy bananas, wholesome oats, a sprinkle of cinnamon, and a handful of cashews for a smoothie that's thick, creamy, and absolutely delicious. You can even add a scoop of your favorite protein powder if you want to bulk it up. Chapter 4. Red Rice Poha, Spice Up Your Life. Let's turn up the heat with some red rice poha, a breakfast dish that's as vibrant in color as it is in flavor. We're talking fluffy red rice poha cooked to perfection with mustard oil, curry leaves, crunchy peanuts, and a touch of turmeric. This one's a flavor bomb, and it's sure to get your engine running in the morning. Don't be shy with the chilies. We want a bit of kick. Chapter 5. Paneer Burji Sandwich, the breakfast of champions. Looking for a breakfast that's packed with protein and will keep you full until lunchtime? Look no further than the Paneer Burji Sandwich. We're talking crumbled paneer, that's Indian cheese, you muppets, cooked up with onions, tomatoes, and a blend of aromatic spices. Pile that glorious mixture onto some hearty whole wheat bread, add a dollop of cooling coriander mint chutney, and you've got yourself a breakfast sandwich that's fit for a king. Chapter 6. Sattu Parantha. This ain't your average pancake. Next up, we're tackling the Sattu Parantha, a North Indian classic that's hearty, wholesome, and packed with protein. Don't let the name scare you, this is basically a flatbread with a super-powered filling. We're making a dough with whole wheat flour, kalonji, and carom seeds, and then stuffing it with a mixture of roasted gram flour, that's the sattu, onions, ginger, and a blend of warming spices. Cook it on a hot griddle until it's golden brown and crispy. Chapter 7. Instant Masala Idli. Idli not spice things up. Last but not least, we've got Instant Masala Idli, a twist on the classic South Indian breakfast. These fluffy steamed cakes are made with fermented rice and lentil batter, and we're spicing things up with a tempering of mustard seeds, curry leaves, and chilies. Serve them up with coconut chutney and sambar for a breakfast that's light, flavorful, and utterly delicious. Outro time to get cooking. So there you have it, 7 quick, nutritious, and bloody delicious breakfast options that will even impress this old codger. No more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. Which one of these breakfast options impressed you the most? The Moong Sprout Chaat with its zesty zing? Or maybe the hearty and flavorful Sattu Parantha? Try them out and let me know in the comments. And remember, breakfast shouldn't be a chore, it should be a celebration.